Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2006 and this question is related to electronics. Find the correct match between group 1 and group 2. Group 1 consisting of varactor diode, pin diode, Zener diode and Schottky diode, whereas group 2 consisting of high frequency switch, voltage reference, tuned circuits, current control attenuator. If you observe the group 1, it will be consisting of Zener diode, and we know that one Zener diode act as voltage reference. That is, Zener diode is going to be a good voltage regulator which can be used as a voltage reference. So directly we can go for Zener diode G. Zener diode is matched with voltage reference 1. So this is completed. Next, varactor diode. Varactor diode, the other name is nothing but varicap or variable capacitor. Varactor diode is going to be a normal PN junction with very lightly dope, whose reverse bias capacitance, that is nothing but whose depletion capacitance varies with respect to the reverse voltage. This property is going to be making variable capacitance as reverse voltage changes. As the applied reverse voltage changes, the capacitance across the diode is going to be gets changed. This property is going to be used as a separately varactor diode. So that varactor diode is nothing but variable capacitor. Variable capacitor is going to be used in the tuned circuits. Tuned circuit is nothing but where we require tuning of different frequencies. By that time, LC circuit is nothing but tuned circuit. Okay, if you check about this one, this is L and C, and if you are going to get L and C directly constant values, whatever the frequency you will get, it is constant. By varying this capacitor, you will get the different tuned frequencies. So this variable capacitor or varactor diode is used in the tuned circuits. So E is nothing but it is matched with 3. Okay, next, out of these two things, pin diode and Schottky diode is going to be used, okay, in very high speed logic families. Schottky diode, the property of Schottky diode is nothing but whose forward bias voltage, that is nothing but whose cut-in voltage is around 0.25 volts, whereas normal PN junction is going to be having 0.7 volts of silicon cut-in voltage, but whereas Schottky diode's cut-in voltage is going to be 0.25 volts, so that it is going to be turns on very quickly. That is, for the small forward voltage itself, the Schottky diode turns on, so that it will be used in the high frequency switching purposes. Okay, so that it will be used in the high frequency circuits, so that it can act as high frequency switch also. So the voltage across this Schottky diode changes rapidly, so high frequency switch is going to be used. H is matched with 2. The last one is nothing but pin diode, which is F. The leftover is nothing but 4, current controlled attenuator. Pin diode is used for the current controlled attenuator. So G1 E3, E3 G1 F4. So the right option is nothing but C. Thank you.